Okay, let's talk for a moment about what happens when you start telling people all about Young Living. You love the product, you've given a couple of referral links out, and now all of a sudden somebody has purchased a premium starter kit and you know that you're going to be getting a $50 thank you check from Young Living. Awesome, congratulations. So what I want to do is I want to show you here on the Young Living site, where do you go to set that up so that you get your $50 next month? Well, this is your virtual office. As you can see, I'm already logged in. And if you need more instructions on how to log in, we can talk about that later. But over here on my dashboard, I'm going to go all the way down to my account. And you can see this has my member number. This has all my information. But go to my profile, and you can see all my personal information. And right here, under direct deposit, this is where you would need to put your information about where you would like it deposited. My understanding is, of course, if you don't want direct deposit, there is usually another option here talking about setting up your card. It's like a prepaid Visa card. And so that way, if you don't want to give them your banking information, which I will tell you, I've never had a problem with direct deposit at all. Everything's been accurate and good. But if you don't want them to have that information, then they will send you in the mail a prepaid gift card, and then they will download all of the thank you bonuses on that card for you to use, just like a prepaid Visa. So hopefully that answers all your questions. If you have any other questions, you know how to get a hold of me. We'll talk to you soon.